The directions for use are diffusing 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser like doTERRA's pedal diffuser, or you can place Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Motivate Essential Oil Blend. Are you frustrated at work? Have setbacks in spite of your best efforts shaken your confidence? Or has misplaced trust left you cynical more often than your best self should be? Then stop, reset, and restart with doTERRA's Motivate Encouraging Blend of mint and citrus essential oils. The doTERRA Motivate blend will help you unleash your creative powers and find the courage that comes from believing in yourself again. Go ahead and raise the bar. You can do it. The top 2 common uses of doTERRA's Motivate blend are aromatic, so breathing it in, and then topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of this blend are that it motivates you to have the courage to move forward with confidence. The directions for use are diffusing 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser like doTERRA's pedal diffuser, or you can place 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands, rub them together, cup them, and then breathe it in deeply. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops under your wrists, on the back of your neck, over your heart area, behind your ears, or even on the bottoms of your feet with the fractionated coconut oil. And I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil right here. This is a great carrier oil, non-greasy, no smell, and it helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin, reduce the chance of sensitivity, and then it also helps to cover larger surface areas of your body. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.